Hello, my name is Steve Kenyon with Greener Pastures Ranching. Today I would like to share with you what I consider to be the core of regenerative grazing, the 5 grazing concepts: graze period, rest period, animal impact, stock density, and soil armor. Number 1, graze period, the amount of time that your animals are on a grazing paddock. We want to prevent overgrazing, so to do this we need to keep our graze period short enough to stop the second bite. By second bite, I mean the animals need to be removed from an area before the plants are able to regrow after the first bite. So depending on your environment and the time of year, this second bite could be anywhere from a couple of days to a week. The key is we have to remove the animals before this regrowth occurs. Number 2 is the rest period. This is the amount of time that a paddock has to recover between grazings. Now with the rest period, we are also managing to prevent the second bite. We want the plants to fully recover before they're allowed to be grazed again. Depending on your environment and season, this is also variable. We all have different environments, but we still need to make sure the rest period allows for the plants to fully recover. Number 3 is animal impact. This is the physical and the biological effect the animals have on the soil. The physical stimulation is by the animals' hooves. This impact can help with new seedling development, it can help recycle nutrients, can break up capped soil and help develop a polyculture of forage plants. Positive animal impact can give you a tremendous improvement to the land, as it will step a lot of litter to the ground and make big improvements. However, you have to be careful of negative animal impact. It can also occur if it's not done correctly. The biological impact is also important. This is how we help build biology in our whole system. Manure and urine are fantastic biological stimulators. Even the phlegm and saliva from the animals are adding biology to the soil. This is what we can't get from the equipment on the land. Number 4 is stock density. This is the number of animal units per acre at a given time. Now, stock density is not to be confused with stocking rate. Stocking rate is the number of animals you have on the pasture for the entire season. Stock density is how tight together or how spread out they are when they're grazing. So the higher the stock density, the better it is for the land. The 2 big benefits of higher stock density are plant utilization and manure distribution. So if you have a higher plant utilization, this means every plant is either bitten or stepped on. This allows every plant the same opportunity to regrow. Undesirables don't get the advantage. The other one is manure distribution. We get better distribution of nutrients as we increase our stock density. This means we have better nutrient recycling on our land. Number 5 is soil armor. This is the protective layer on the soil surface. Residue is one of the most important aspects of good grazing management. However, many producers have a hard time accepting this wasted grass. I guarantee it is not wasted. Think of this residue left over as next year's fertilizer, or more accurate, our future water holding capacity. This residue will break down and provide nutrients to the crop for the following year. But it is so much more than that. It is the protective layer that allows the soil to function. It provides food, water, and shelter for our soil biology. It creates an environment suitable for all of our underground employees. It is also a key component which allows us to maintain a healthy water cycle. There you have it, 5 grazing concepts: graze period, rest period, animal impact, stock density, and soil armor. Or, as an acronym, GRASS, GRASS. No matter where you live, these concepts will work in any environment with any growing season. You just have to adapt them to your environment. Thanks for watching. Check us out for more information on our YouTube channel and our Facebook page at Greener Pastures Ranching. God bless.